Mental health means the way that your brain works and your emotions and how you live your day-to-day life. I guess well-being for me means somebody who looks at life in a positive way and, who connects with their whānau as well. Also, on that topic, whānau also need to normalise talking about mental health and well-being, reaching out to their siblings, their children, and normalising it is okay to not be okay.
Like, it's part of life, and you go through things, like, naturally in human ways.
I don't know much. To me, I believe that it's like a taonga. It's precious. You have to keep it safe, but also it's not in your control either. The mental health is what happens in here. Well-being is here, how you receive and let go things, I guess. That is what mental health and well-being means to me.
Mental health and well-being all roll into one because it talks about yourself. If you're physical or you're emotional or spiritual, they all belong to you because of how you function. Your health, yourself, your well-being would come first, and then your family would come in second, and then other things will come in along the way. I say to take it easy, step by step, even if it means taking your time with it.
Certain aspects, say trauma, anxiety, depression, everything categorised under it pretty much lies within your well-being and how you're feeling, whether it's spiritually, emotionally, physically, and mentally.
So Ngā Uri o Whiti Moana Trust is unique in itself, and that's because we provide different types of avenues that support our rangatahi of Porirua in general. So our main focus pretty much is the arts facilitates positive youth development, and so we are pretty much a firm believer that providing art opportunities for our kids promotes positive youth development. So we try our best to incorporate a lot of our art stuff within our programs that we currently run within the hub.
No mahara mai. Doors are always open. Hub is behind Waitangiroa Mall. If you have passion for kapahaka or anything else that we have running, no mahara mai.
So the trust was legally established since July of 2021, but we have been in arts since 2018. And then prior to that,
Xavier and myself,
we pretty much were kapahaka tutors for Porirua College since 2013. So 10 years per se.
we created this hub for our rangatahi, just to get them off the streets and, find something for them to do instead of doing things that they're not supposed to. So we created this for them.
A lot of our youth get a better opportunity in life, and they get to succeed doing in what they find passion in, and that's all we're here for really, is just try to spark or ignite something special within them, so that they understand what there is out there, and we can provide the opportunity by just leading them into avenues, promoting their work, creating shows, and pretty much just doing things influenced by dance.
Takes your mind off everything, and it just reconnects you with your culture and everything that comes with it.
I used to study performing arts. I used the art of dance as an outlet for me. It was a way for me to recharge in that sense, just to be able to escape and have some sort of space where I could freely express myself. And I guess that's what young people, now generation, that's what they sort of need in terms to recharge, is to have that safe space to be able to be freely expressive. And over here, we get a lot of that all the time.
Well, it always goes back to Indigenous for Indigenous people and Indigenous practices for Indigenous people. I believe that majority of our ancestors had utilised these in some way or form of trying to benefit them in some way. So dance is a type of relief. It could be some type of healing mechanism for some. It's depending on what you're there for and the purpose that you're there for. So Music, sound, dance, creativeness fall under that same kind of umbrella, and our people are very creative and very talented in that space. And these are historical things, like they've passed down from our tupuna, and it's pretty much here now, so why not utilise things that worked for our people and just pretty much just go from there on in.
It's all about breathing.
Breathe. Learn how to breathe. Literally. Take time for yourself, even if it's 5 minutes. Breathe.
I guess just find something that you love and then just strive for it. Make yourself better with it, because there's always something you can learn.
Stay strong here, stay extra strong here, and always keep it pushing. Every day is sweeter than the day before.
Tūwhiri a te hopo. Feel the fear and do it anyway.